In front of me is Honor Pad 9, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When you're ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and use this gear at the top left corner to access all of those wallpaper options. You can check out Preview on the right. You can even click on the top left corner to pick one of those preset options. Just click on the best one for you, select Yes, and adjust all of those settings only for your chosen preset. When you finished, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes. Lastly, you need to click on Apply at the bottom and then close your app. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!